How to add pictures on Tinder. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'm gonna show you the easy way to add or upload pictures or photos on Tinder. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, launch Tinder application on a device. Make sure to log in or sign in to your particular account. Tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Now on the section, tap on this edit button or the icon like pencil-like icon at top right corner of your profile. Then you will land on the section where you can easily tap on the plus button and then choose the photo from your library, or you can also use AI to find photos for your profile quickly. So let's tap on choose photos or videos from library and choose the specific photo that we would like to upload on Tinder. So here you can easily or you have successfully added pictures on Tinder. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and thank you for watching.